Today we will walk through a graphic design exercise called dot line. The core of the exercise is to create small compositions with only black dots and lines. Each of the graphic images you create will express a word. This exercise will help unleash your creativity and expand your graphic vocabulary. Let's walk through an example of this exercise using the word power. Take a piece of paper and draw two small squares and one large square. Create two composition possibilities for the word power in the small squares. Then copy and enlarge the best solution into the large square. Next, try your own dot line exercise using the following words: order, increase, bold, congested, tension, playful. You can download a free copy of the dot line exercise worksheet in the description below. Subscribe to Crye Studio for more graphic design exercises. Thanks so much.